Hi, I'm Cathy Reiling, Master Trainer with EFT International. I'm here to teach you a tapping tip called stealth tapping. Before I do, I'm going to show you, this is a little gizmo called Point Mate Acculocator. Got it online for around $50. It's this little box that will help make a sound and light up when you're on your acupoint. So, versus nothing going on down there. So when you're on it, you get the sound and the light. So for the stealth tapping is with your fingertips, working with your fingertips. So when you, the points are, if you put your hand right out in front of you, the points are here, here, here. So I'm at the, right in the top of the nail, the bottom base of the nail bed on the top of the finger when it's in front of you like this. So I'll show you with this. So this guy will, I'm touching it, okay. So I'm on this one here. So it's right in the bed there. Come down. So that's kind of fun to just to confirm where the points are, and just everyone tells you here's where the points are, but this is a nice indicator to show you where they are. So what you can do for stealth tapping now is you want to get the top of the finger. So the index finger can come around and get that point right there, and then the thumb can get the rest. Index finger comes around, gets the thumb gets the other four. And then you can practice and get where you can do it on both hands, and just do it continually, as long as you want, as much as you want. And some good reasons to use it would be, let's say you're at a meeting and it's kind of uncomfortable for whatever reason, or you just want to tap. You can have, like right now, I am tapping. I'm doing it, both fingers under the table. So you can do it under the table. At a meeting, you can do it in a large crowd. You know, you might have noticed some people doing this, biting their nail. They're actually doing the soothing on these points. My sister-in-law will tap on the table like this all the time, and you're getting those points. So you may have noticed people doing that. The thumb is connected to the lung meridian. The index finger is connected to the large intestine meridian. The middle finger is connected to the pericardium meridian. The ring finger is connected to triple warmer, as is the gamut point. And the pinky is connected to the heart meridian. And then if you ever want to just kind of do anything on the side of your hand, that works for psychological reversal. So sometimes when I'm driving, I'll do the side of the hand. And at stoplights, you can do this. So I just want to encourage you to enjoy this new technique, practice it. The more you practice it, the easier it is, and the more automatic it is, and the more calming that you're doing, and the more tapping that you're doing, and reaping those benefits for your body. So thank you for listening. Enjoy this tip, and good luck on your journey.